Hello and welcome to Clay to Canopy, the show where I attempt to make just about everything from the ground up. In this video, I am going to be turning the Haunted Mansion paper model into a finished piece by adding some wood siding, adding some glass for the windows, probably columns out of wood and details like that. I stumbled upon this page called Haunted Dimensions, and Haunted Dimensions is really awesome. Ray offers a whole bunch of different paper models that you can print out that are completely for free. If you have some time, you should definitely go check out Haunted Dimensions, and I will throw up a link in the description box. I was able to fully download this whole thing with all of the instructions there. Check him out. He does ask for donations if you want to give him a little help with running his page. But anyway, for this tutorial, I am going to be working off of this paper model. I printed the model on regular paper because that was all I had. Then I glued it to a second sheet just to make it a bit stronger. When the glue dried, I cut out all the pieces and assembled my model. Since I used this model in another video where I made a larger cardboard cat house version, I had to do some modifying. I removed the outside trim and roof, leaving me with just the inside base to start from. Normally the double layer of paper is enough support, but this mansion was a bit larger than some of the other pieces I've made. So to reinforce the inside walls, I added some cardboard. After taking some measurements, I cut thin strips of wood veneer with a rotary cutter. These are going to become my siding pieces. Before starting the siding, I used a piece of balsa wood for model making to separate the brick foundation from the cladding. Using a combination of wood glue and super glue, I applied the siding. I used pre-painted parts wherever two colors merged to speed up my finishing time. I continued this process on all sides, leaving the doors and windows free of siding. For the brick foundation, I took a piece of burlap and removed several strands to get an open weave spacing. I rolled out terracotta colored polymer clay until it was about an 1/8 inch thick. I placed the burlap strip on top of the clay and performed one last smooth roll to imprint the texture. Before baking, I trimmed each piece down to size, being sure to account for the shrinkage. Once hardened, I applied with super glue. I hand-carved 1/8 inch thick wood to capture raised door panels and specialty windows. Using a glass cutter and grinder, I prepared custom glass for the windows and doors. Before gluing in the glass, I painted the cavities. I used the frame to help hold the windows in place. Using a textured HO scale brick sheet, I rolled thin layers of polymer clay for the porch walkways. I printed the porch ironwork on clear plastic shrink film. For the final fit after shrinking, I used a sharp pair of scissors to trim the ironwork to size. Using another HO scale sheet, I rolled out the roof. For the shutters, I found my texture on an old salad dressing lid. All that was left was to carve the columns. Before I go, I'd just like to say thank you to Ray from Haunted Dimensions. If you have not checked him out, please go ahead and do so. I will post the link to his website in the description box. But that's pretty much all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, and I hope to see you soon.